Hi everyone, it's Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your question of the week. I'm finishing up my heteronym series and I have two sets of words for you today with the same pattern. We have content, which is a noun meaning subject matter, or content, a verb meaning satisfied, and contest, which is a match or competition, and kən'tɛst, to argue. So if I could get my board correct here are the words. I wrote this a little bit differently today because we're going to take a different approach. I want you to think just about the word stress today, not so much about the individual sounds. A general rule with heteronyms is that we stress syllable number one in nouns and adjectives, and we unstress syllable number two. We stress syllable number two in verbs, and we unstress syllable number one. A stressed syllable is louder, longer, and higher in pitch, and the unstressed syllable, this is just as important, is lower, softer, and shorter. You will see when we have words that start with the letters C-O-N, for syllable number one, when we stress it, we're really going to pronounce the vowel and we're going to say con. However, when that syllable is unstressed, we're going to use the short sound and say kun. That's a great general rule of thumb. So let's give these words a try. We have content, which is the noun, and ck'ntɛst. So let's stress syllable number one in content and ck'ntɛst. Content, ck'ntɛst. Now, if we're using these as verbs, we can say kən'tɛnt and kən'tɛst. Kən'tɛnt, kən'tɛst. Now let's give all of those a try. Let's try the nouns first. Content, content, content. Contest, contest, contest. And now for the verbs. Content, content, content. Kən'tɛst, kən'tɛst, kən'tɛst. So I'm going to do the noun first and then the verb. We have content, content. Contest, kən'tɛst. And now for a few sentences. I hope you are content with the content of my channel. I really hope you are. Give me a thumbs up if you are. And then for contest, we have the team will contest the winner of the contest. So give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. Let me know what you thought about this new format. And if you have any requests, have a great weekend, everybody. Take care.